Alright, so here's how to promote a video on TikTok. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application. Alright, right after that, you need to simply go and press on this profile icon on the bottom side. Alright, then on the right upper side, you will probably see these three dots. So simply tap on the three dots and simply go with the YouTube TikTok Studio. Then from the more tools option, you will probably get this promote option. Simply go with the promote. And now here into this, you can simply select any of these, like more video views, or if you want more followers, you can select that. If you want more profile views, you can select that as well. Alright, then from here you need to select your content. So from here you can select, like I have only one content, so I will select this one. And then from here you can select the custom audience. So if you want that, you can simply select this one. So from here you can select the gender, you can restrict the age, you can select the whom those to whom uh, you can select to whom you want to promote your video to. Like here are lots of options right over here to promote your video, so I will not go into these details. So I will go and select the all and simply go back. Now here's the thing, if here is the budget, you can set the budget and duration. So for the first case, you can simply drag it up or down to fix your budget. So for the lowest, you can like make a budget of $1.8 per day, and you can select the duration by sliding it up or down like this. Alright, and simply recharge your coins and you will be good to go. So after recharging the coins, you can simply tap on the recharge and simply get those. So that's how you can simply promote a video in TikTok. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.